To deposit money in an ATM at HSBC in the UK in 2023. Follow these steps. First, locate an HSBC ATM. You can find one near you by using the HSBC branch locator on their website or mobile app. Once you have found an ATM, insert your HSBC debit card and enter your PIN to begin the transaction. Next, select the deposit option from the menu. This may be listed under More Options or Services. Choose the type of deposit you want to make, such as cash or check. If you are depositing cash, insert the cash into the ATM. The machine will count the notes and display the amount on the screen. Verify that the amount is correct before proceeding. If you are depositing a check, fill in the deposit slip with your details and the amount. Then insert the check into the ATM. The ATM will scan the check and display the amount on the screen. Confirm that the details are correct and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. Once you have completed the deposit, the ATM will provide you with a receipt. Take this and keep it for your records. You can also check your account balance to ensure the deposit has been made successfully. It is a good idea to keep an eye on your account to ensure the funds are available when you need them. It is also important to note that there may be limits on the amount you can deposit at an ATM. These limits vary depending on the type of account you have and the ATM you are using. You can find more information about these limits on the HSBC website or by contacting their customer service team. By following these steps, you can easily and securely deposit money into your HSBC account using an ATM. Remember to always keep your receipts and check your account balance to ensure the deposit has been made successfully.